Very good morning, students. Students, now we will study about the central bank, right? The central bank is also called known as the Reserve Bank of India, a national bank that provide financial and banking service for its country, government and commercial banking system, as well as implementing the government monetary policy and issuing currency, right? So we understand must the central bank may be defined as an institution charged with responsibility of managing the expansion and contraction of the volume of money supply for general economic welfare. The central bank is the apex institutions in the banking and financial structure of the country. So central bank is the apex body. This is the higher body in India. The Reserve Bank of India, that is called the central bank. The Reserve Bank of India is the central bank which control and issue the uh, the Reserve Bank of India is central bank which control and issue supply of Indian rupees. RBI is the regulator of entire banking in India. Right? Function of central bank. Now student we understand the primary function and the secondary functions. First to understand the primary functions, RBI print money and formulate the monetary policy with regard to money. Issue of currency, printing the rupees, right? Monetary policy. Some function of RBI is here. Traditional functions, right? Monopoly note issue, right? No, only one bank who issue the notes. Banker to the governments, right? It kept the government money in their accounts. Agent and advisor to the government. Bankers of the bank. Lender of the last resort, means this bank is the last whenever you this bank is give the last option for the customers where you can find his cases, right? That is called the last hope or last resort of the bank. Lender of the last resort. Clearing house, leader of money market and control of credit, custodian of foreign exchange reserve. The only bank who kept the foreign exchange, right? No other bank can kept the foreign. Now the promotional functions. Promotional function of bank are promotion of banking habits, right? Like that government open the Jan accounts, right? Refinance for export or promotions, facilitate for agricultural finance. Earlier RBI was the regulator, now it is work as the facilitator, right? Facilitates for industrial finance. Helps cooperative sectors, means the cooperative sectors which help mostly in the rural area and poor section of the society and farmers, the tenants, right? And provide them loans and less interest rate, right? That is the promotional function. Supervisory functions, granting license to banks, right? Without RBI permission no one can open the banks, right? Research functions, special function, implementation of the deposit insurance, control over NBFC, periodical review of the working of the commercial bank, right? So we understand the function of the RBI, right? Central Bank of India. Understand? Other as the first functions we have bank of issuing note. The central bank is the bank of issuing note. It has the monopoly of note issue, right? Banker to the government, right? I have already explained how the banker to the maintain the accounts, receiving the revenues of the government. It collect the government revenue also, making payment of the government also, providing remittance facilities and issuing treasury bills, providing way and means of finance, advisor to the government, represent the governments, right? Because this is the government body also, that's why the banker to the government also, right? Bankers and bank and supervisors. Bankers of the bank, because it is the custodians of the cash reserves act as a friend, philosopher, supervisor, and guide to the commercial bank, provide basic for larger and more elastic credit structure, promote national welfare, provide financial accommodation to the cooperative banking for finance special sector like agriculture, appoint key post of commercial bank to ensure proper governance and sound banking practice, resort to moral sujeance, right? Resort to moral sujeance here is means if any banks not following the rules and guideline of the bank, then RBI can give the notice to those banks which is not following the code of the conduct, that is called the resort of to moral sujeance, right? These are the custodians of foreign exchange, also lender of last resort, means act as a lender of resort for commercial bank, used when bank have shortage of cash reserve. When the commercial banks have faced the problem of shortage, then only the RBI is the last resort for them to help them. Then the state bank rescue them from the danger solution. Method used, provide cash by discounting bill of exchange, right? Safeguard the bank from liquidations, right? Custodian of foreign exchange, it kept the foreign money, right? Now the clearing house functions. What is the function of clearing house? When two investors agree to the terms of the financial transaction such as purchase of sale or security, clearing house act as a middleman on the behalf of both parties. So the bank, central bank as a middleman of the party. The purpose of clearing house is to improve the efficiency of market and add stability to the financial systems, right? Control of credit. Credit control is system used by business and also central bank to make sure that it give credit only to the customer who are able to pay, and that customer pay on times only, right? So students, we have understand some function method of credit, quantitative or general methods, or qualitative or selective methods. Understand? We have understand the function of Central Bank of India. There are the many functions of the Central Bank of India. We have understand. Thanks for watching, and like it, subscribe.